Hey family, welcome and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Patrice. So in today's quick video, I'm just going to tell you what are some things that can help you with your dry hair, actually your dry scalp, and your dandruff. So a lot of people actually mistake dry scalp with dandruff, and they're actually not the same. So with dandruff, you actually have a lot of oil or excess oil on your scalp as compared to dry scalp, which basically you have lack of moisture. So they're not the same, but you might think they are because you may get flakiness or your scalp might be a little red. You have to take care of them in a different way. So you need more moisture for dry scalp, and you actually need to find proper treatment for dandruff. So today I'm just gonna share with you three or four things. I don't know, is it 4 things? I think it's 3. Yeah. I'm going to go into detail of each thing, the properties, and what it can do to help your hair. You really have to know what exactly you're treating before you actually treat it, so that you know what exactly is going to work for you. If you have very severe dandruff and you are like worried that it's an issue, then I definitely advise for you to go to a professional. Our scalps are different. No matter if I have locks and you have locks, does not mean like what I use is going to work for you if you have a scalp condition. Or, you know, it's very important to know your scalp and to know your hair history. What I love about tea tree oil is that it is a powerful oil and it works. So if you don't know, or maybe you do know, tea tree oil actually has antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties, which will help control dandruff. Now, the first thing I suggest is to implement the tea tree oil into your shampoo. Add 5 to 10 drops of tea tree oil into your shampoo. Make sure you give your scalp a nice massage, very gentle, and then rinse it. The second thing is you can make your own tea tree oil shampoo, and I actually made a video on how I made my own shampoo. The link will be in my description box. You can check it out. Also, you can have a spray bottle filled with water and add 5 to 10 drops of tea tree oil into the water. Spritz it all over your hair, and this will help with the itchiness, the redness, and other dandruff symptoms, as well as helping your dandruff. Apple cider vinegar is one of my favorite things to use when I want to detox my scalp and my locks. It has antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help maintain the health of your scalp. So the vinegar actually kills any dandruff causing fungi and can help the problem of your dandruff. It also helps with pH imbalance, which can be the reason why you have dandruff in the first place. So it helps remove product buildup and deeply cleanses your hair and your scalp. When I apply apple cider vinegar to my locks, I put it in a spray bottle. 3 to 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with mostly water, and I'll spritz it all over my hair and scalp, and then I'll give my scalp a nice massage and leave it on there for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then you can wash your hair with mild shampoo, and it should definitely relieve your issue. So a DIY solution that I found to be very, very helpful for those who have dry scalp or dandruff or itchy scalp is boiling 3 cups of water with a handful of rosemary leaves, which you can purchase at your local market or grocery store. You cover it and let it simmer for 45 minutes, but you want to make sure that you strain it after you remove it from the heat, and you want to allow it to cool. And then you add apple cider vinegar, about half a cup, and then 10 drops of rosemary oil and peppermint, as well as a bit of tea tree oil. You want to make sure you mix it up really well, and then you're going to pour it into a spray bottle and spritz it all over your hair after you washed your hair. And you leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you can rinse it off. Having dry scalp can be very annoying. What I like to do when I have dry scalp is hot oil treatments or using rose water. My dry scalp is not severe, but my hair does need extra moisture these days. So it's very important to stay away from sulfates, paraben, mineral oils, and heavy oils. Heavy oils will actually clog your pores, so you don't want your pores to be clogged because your condition can get worse. There are different things that can combat your dry scalp, and these include aloe vera gel directly from the plant. You can retwist with it. There's aloe vera water spritz that I've actually used on my channel. I'll leave all the information in my description box. There's also tea rinses, which are perfect for those who have locks. So these are my favorite ways to actually combat dry scalp. So hopefully this video was helpful, and I know that dandruff can be very, very difficult. Even dry scalp, I mean, sometimes like our scalp can be so dry to the point where it's like, okay, how much moisture do I need? And if these things don't work, especially if you have dandruff, I definitely advise you to go to a professional to see what's going on with your hair, because sometimes these things are not going to work if it's like a severe thing, and your scalp might need medical or professional attention. If you're someone who experienced severe dandruff and you found a way to solve your issue, or you found a way to help your situation, or even if you have dry scalp, let me know down below and let's get talking in the comment section. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Always remember, be spiffy and be you. Peace.